Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare and cook a low-starch healthy alternative to yam. Yes, so if you are interested in losing weight, this is the video for you. So go to the grocery store and look for these potatoes that are called baking potato or russet potato. That's the one you want to buy. So the baking potato or russet potato is low starch in comparison to the normal yam that we all know. So the first thing you want to do is cut the potatoes into smaller sizes that you can easily stack in your cooking pot. So cut them into smaller sizes like this. So the russet potato is easy to cook. It is versatile. You can use it for many purposes. You can bake it, you can roast it, you can fry it, and it's also good for mashing. You can use it to cook your yam porridge or eat it with pepper soup. It is delicious and full of vitamins and minerals. So next thing you want to do is wash the potatoes thoroughly. Yes. Where are you watching from? Can you please tell me in the comment section where you're watching from? And also, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Click the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to others. Okay? So after washing, stack the potatoes in your cooking pot like this. Yes. And then take it to your cooking stove and add some water. Add some water. Just enough water to cover the potato like this. Make sure you turn on the stove to high. The next thing you want to do is add some salt. Just enough salt, not too much salt. And then cover to cook for about 20 minutes. So jumbo russet potato can also be used to eat pepper soup, yes, instead of the normal yam, especially if you are looking at losing some weight. So after 20 minutes, you can come back and check with your fork. If it is soft, then you know it is ready. You can then drain the water from the pot. Be careful so that the steam from the hot water does not burn your hands. So after draining the water, it is ready to serve. You can eat the potato with the skin, but as for me, I'm going to peel the skin from the potato like this. So this potato is soft and it feels like yam. Even when you eat it, it's delicious. You cannot even tell the difference between this potato from the normal yam. And yet it is low starch. and it's also a balanced diet. So when it is completely peeled like this, you can eat it with stew or any other vegetable soup of your choice, just like you do with a normal yam. So, yes, our Russet potato is ready. Our healthy, low-starch alternative to yam is ready. As you can see, it looks just like yam. You cannot tell the difference even when you eat it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and like my videos. Share with your friends and your family. See you next time in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.